Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one and y go to the left, theta d theta will go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So y to the power of 3 divided by y, 1 divided by y. Next, the integration of y square, we have y to the power of 3 over 3. The second one, we have ln of the absolute value of y. Now, we need to concentrate on this one. So, we need to use about integration by parts. So, I need to put about u equals to theta. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to d theta. dv, we have cosine theta d theta. The integration of this one, we have v equal to sine theta. So, we have u multiplied by v minus, we have du multiplied by v, so we have the integration sine theta d theta. The integration of negative with sine theta, we have cosine theta plus c. And now we need to go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we have conditions. That means when theta equals to 3b over 2, y equals to number 1. So I will put number 1 gone here, number 1 gone here, 3b over 2 gone here, here, and here. So we can find the value of c. This one we have negative number 1. This one we have number 0. This one we have number 0. This one we have 1 over 3. Now we put this one go to the left, and we have 3b over 2 with positive in here. And now we put this one go back in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.